All right, we're going to get into this second iteration here and close this out.
The Commander's Honorary Award for Excellence in Marine Air Ground Task Force Engineering. This award is presented for extraordinary achievement involving engineering technology, information technology, or test and evaluation leading to superior acquisition, program, product, or process savings and improvements. The winner of the individual award is Mr. Francis Bonner. As the Assistant Program Manager Engineering for Program Manager Air Command and Control and Sensor Netting, Mr. Bonner is responsible for the technical management of a highly complex portfolio of systems supporting air defense, C2, and sensor fusion across the Marine Air Ground Task Force. He led the engineering effort in the development of the Common Aviation Command and Control System, assembling a team of experts to independently verify the functionality of the CA-C2S Phase 2 hardware. He and his team accelerated the retirement of legacy Marine Corps Air Command and Control systems, ensuring the CA-C2S Phase 2 meets warfighter requirements. The winner of the Team Award is the Live Virtual Constructive Integration Team from Program Manager Training Systems, led by Major Baron Mills. The Live Virtual Constructive Integration Team is being recognized for its efforts to integrate training systems in support of Large-Scale Exercise 2014. This was the first time that Marines at the small unit level were exposed to virtual trainers such as the Virtual Battle Space Simulator, the Combat Convoy Simulator, and the Supporting Arms Virtual Trainer during a large-scale exercise. They were connected in real time to rotary and fixed-wing flight simulators, as well as the Marine Expeditionary Brigade Battle Staff of Air, Ground, and Logistics Command elements through tactical C2 systems. This was also the first time that air and ground simulators were integrated together with tactical command and control in a large-scale exercise. The Commander's Honorary Award for Excellence in Logistics and Product Support. This award is presented for extraordinary achievement in integrated logistics and lifecycle management necessary to manage broad-scale logistics support for systems and equipment and/or achievement in provisioning of initial support packages, contributing to enhanced readiness and lifecycle support for systems and equipment. The winner of the individual award is Mr. Herbert Morris. As a logistics analyst with the Research and Readiness Analysis Team for the Assistant Commander, Acquisition, Logistics, and Product Support, Mr. Morris conducted reliability-centered maintenance analysis for the Amphibious Assault Vehicle Emergency Egress Lighting System. He also served as a subject matter expert for 2 other reliability-centered maintenance analyses, which provided detailed cause and effect information for the respective program offices regarding these platforms. He was the Enterprise Lifecycle Maintenance Program Coordinator between the program offices and the Logistics Command, assisting with 185 statements of work for depot-level maintenance. Mr. Morris provided guidance and counsel on numerous policy and directive documents to include Marine Corps Order 4790.2, Field Level Maintenance Management Policy, the draft Marine Corps Systems Command Reliability Center Maintenance Program, 4 guidebooks, 2 product support studies, a business case analysis, and 5 statements of work.
I just got to take the opportunity and embarrass him a little bit more. He goes, I hate doing things like this.
The winner of the Team Award is the Expeditionary Water Distribution System Integrated Product Team, led by Master Sergeant Kevin Morris. The Expeditionary Water Distribution System Integrated Product Team is recognized for their innovative approach to reconfiguring the tactical water distribution system to meet Marine Expeditionary Force and division-level water supply, distribution, and dispensation requirements. The reconfiguration reduced the overall table of authorized material control numbers from 15 to 1, improving asset visibility. The configuration also eliminated nearly 3,000 redundant parts, allowing for a crew of 3 to inventory the system in 24 hours instead of 96. The team has reduced the overall footprint while increasing the durability and transportability of the expeditionary water distribution system. They reduced the storage and embarkation footprint from more than 5,000 cubic feet to just under 1,400. The Commander's Honorary Award for Excellence in Operations Research and Systems Analysis. This award is presented for extraordinary achievement in cost, economic, or warfare analyses for controversial, new, or novel systems or functions. The winner of the individual award is Mr. Michael Musatow. Mr. Musatow was charged with leading the transition of all Marine Corps costs for Next Generation Enterprise Network from SPA-WAR 1.6. This effort included the Marine portion of the overall NGEN program lifecycle cost estimate and working with the Naval Center for Cost Analysis under the Assistant Secretary of the Navy in developing the service cost position required for the NGEN full deployment decision. The Marine Corps portion of NGEN is valued at $6 billion over 10 years and is a complex combination of hardware, software, and human capital. Mr. Musatow's technical skills were displayed in the extensive and detailed analysis used to generate the SysCom model and point estimate, cost uncertainty parameters, and cost model simulations. He was able to resolve requirement and budget conflicts with senior members of the Marine Corps Program Office and Headquarters Marine Corps C4I. The winner of the team award is the Advanced Amphibious Assault Cost Analysis Team led by James Myers. The Advanced Amphibious Assault Cost Analysis Team is recognized for perseverance, technical expertise, and endurance in 2014, while providing excellent cost analysis to the Program Manager, Advanced Amphibious Assault. The team estimated the cost of many technical alternatives and strategic acquisition approaches for the ACAT-1 level amphibious combat vehicle and the amphibious assault vehicle survivability upgrade programs. In addition, the team was responsible for remarkable close coordination and meticulous design of the ACV and AAV contracts that incorporate contractor cost and software data reporting at the contract line item number level to ensure the capture of actual cost data. This unique initiative is likely to become a cost analysis best practice. The Commander's Honorary Award for Excellence in Program Management. This award is presented for extraordinary achievement in the overall planning and direction of assigned programs. The winner of the individual award is Mr. Jeffrey Chandler. Mr. Chandler is receiving the award for his tireless efforts to push the MRAP Cougar vehicle egress upgrade and seat survivability upgrade despite several barriers. These barriers include a complete technical data package, the transition of MRAP from a joint to a Marine Corps program, the loss of personnel resources, and expiring funding. Mr. Chandler's dedication and skill in gaining expedited contract awards through full and open competition resulted in a total estimated savings of $27 million. His efforts ensured these urgently required upgrade kits will be available and ready to protect Marines and other services using Cougar vehicles. The team award goes to the Light Armored Vehicles Anti-Tank Modernization Program Team led by Ms. Diane McCarthy. In June 2013, the LAV Anti-Tank Modernization Program breached their acquisition program baseline agreement for the second time in 6 months. With numerous schedule delays and funding breaches, the program faced possible cancellation. Over the next few months, the team was able to turn the program around by reducing non-value-added deliverables, agreeing to cost-share the engineering, manufacturing, and development phase of the program with the contractor, and coordinating with Program Manager Infantry Weapon Systems to promote commonality across program offices to reduce test and sustainment dollars. This past March, the operational assessment testing was completed with 0 operational mission failures, resulting in a program ahead of schedule and fully funded.
So I just want to mention, so we traveled to Michigan. It's been about, what, 2 months now? 2 months. Went up and we took the brief, did the Milestone C review, and did the Milestone C award, if you will, up there. You know, as we were going through the brief, and when we finished the brief, I told the team up there that in my time at Systems Command, not only in this job, the short time I've been in this job, but over the years that I've been in Systems Command, that was probably the best example of a program achieving a Milestone C that I've ever seen. I mean, it was absolutely from start to finish a model program. So those of you that have been in 401, you know, we usually in 401 you have case studies of things not to do. Well, they need to add this one as something to do. It will be a perfect example. You guys did a fantastic job taking that part.
The Commander's Honorary Award for Innovation. This award is presented annually to those who have contributed extraordinary, innovative ideas, methods, or practices resulting in improvements to processes and programs. The winner of the individual award is Mr. Jeffrey Kent. Mr. Kent is receiving this award for his work leading the Counter-Improvised Explosive Device War Room in developing necessary analysis tools. He led the effort to solve a problem with over 90 separate counter-IED systems employed by the Marine Corps and developed the processes and models to inform future investment decisions. This investigation required a much different approach from that usually used to compare programs due to an unusually high number of systems and their differing natures, from metal detectors to dogs. He assessed capabilities, quantities, weight, and effectiveness, enabling analysis of the entire portfolio with regard to the most effective use of Marine Corps resources. He developed options for an optimized portfolio that can be used in planning out-year budget requirements for PALM 2017 and beyond.
The only thing I would offer is for the program managers, if you're looking for a team or somebody to help you develop or to advance your modernization strategy for your portfolio, these guys over in the war room, give them a shout. Take a look at what they're doing. They're great work. They're a great resource for you guys to tap into if you haven't already. Good job.
The winner of the team award is the Amphibious Combat Vehicle Team, led by Lieutenant Colonel Kirk Mullins. Accepting the award on behalf of Lieutenant Colonel Mullins is Mr. Angelo Scarletto. The Amphibious Combat Vehicle Team is receiving this award for their ability to accept the challenge of fielding a new amphibious combat vehicle within 6 years. The team is leveraging new ways of working with internal Marine Corps stakeholders and industry to reduce the time and cost necessary to meet their aggressive schedule. Using a go, no-go criteria, the team has forged an unprecedented level of cooperation with industry. They built a should-cost initiative that conserves financial resources and increases competition within the Marine Corps affordable range. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the presentation of the Commander's honorary awards. We will now announce the winners of the Department of the Navy Awards for Acquisition Excellence and the nominees for the Department of Defense Awards for Acquisition Excellence. The Department of the Navy Acquisition Excellence Awards. The following individual and teams are the winners of the 2014-2015 Department of the Navy Acquisition Excellence Awards. These awards were established to recognize and motivate individuals and organizations that have demonstrated excellent performances in the acquisition of products and services for the Navy and Marine Corps. They will be formally presented their awards at the Pentagon in November. When your name and your team is called, please stand. The winner of the Department of the Navy Acquisition Professional of the Year Award is Mr. Jamie Thompson of PEO Land Systems. The winner of the Department of the Navy Competition Excellence Acquisition Team of the Year Award is the Global Combat Support Systems Marine Corps Logistics Information Team.
Syscom Albany. Rob.
The winner of the Innovation Excellence Acquisition Team of the Year Award is the Modeling and Simulation Framework for Assessing Cost and Technology Team. The Department of the Navy nominees for the 2015 Department of Defense Acquisition Awards. The following individuals are Department of the Navy nominees for the 2015 Department of Defense Acquisition Awards. Each nominee has made exceptional contributions to the Navy Marine Corps team, demonstrating exemplary leadership and innovation while improving the better buying power of the government. When your name or team is called, please stand. The nominee for the 2015 Acquisition Workforce Individual Achievement Award in the category of Contracting and Procurement is Mr. Jamie Thompson of PEO Land Systems. The nominee in the Engineering category is Mr. Robert Lamont of the Amphibious Vehicle Test Branch. And the nominee in the Program Management category is Mr. John Garner of Program Manager, Advanced Amphibious Assault.
So am I correct in saying that they were selected at the AS and RDA level, and now they're going to OSD to compete? So outstanding job.
The following teams are Department of the Navy nominees for the 2015 David Packard Excellence in Acquisition Awards. Each of these teams has made significant contributions to the larger Navy Marine Corps team, demonstrating exemplary innovation in implementing the tenets of better buying power. When your team is called, please stand. The Ground Air Task Oriented Radar Team. The Modeling and Simulation Framework for Assessing Cost and Technology Team. And the Enterprise Software Licensing Microsoft Team. The winners for these awards will be announced by the Undersecretary of Defense for Acquisition, Technology, and Logistics later this year. We will now present the final 3 awards. The Commander's Superior Medal of Merit Award. The Commander's Medal of Merit is the highest award the Commander may bestow on a civilian employee. The Silver Medal is granted for a superior act of service of a rare or exceptional character that reflected humanitarian acts of compassion, quick and appropriate action that prevented serious injury to others, or assistance in an emergency situation in an attempt to save a life. The recipient of this award is Miss Nancy Levette. Ms. Levesque is the Assistant Product Manager, Engineering for Information Technology, Strategic Sourcing, and Information Systems and Infrastructure. Ms. Levesque is the second person to receive this award since its establishment in 2005. On July 30th, 2015, Ms. Levesque, a qualified paramedic, displayed exceptional initiative and leadership by immediately assisting a fellow team member who suffered a life-threatening medical crisis in the workplace. Her quick thinking and courageous actions were instrumental in not only saving her colleague's life, but significantly increasing his prognosis for a full recovery and return to work. Her actions enhanced the reputation of the Department of the Navy and were in keeping with the highest ideals of government civil servants.
Said just doing my job. I didn't know we had paramedics at Syscom, but she truly did save a life. And so Nancy's going to move into the office next to mine. Say, Nancy, thank you so much.
The Lawrence P. Kreitzer Leadership Award. This award is presented to an individual who inspires and motivates others by exhibiting the highest standards of leadership, courage, and accomplishment in support of the command's mission. The winner of this award is Mr. Daniel Corbin.
So Dan did not know. Did you? Yep. Okay. So he didn't know. We are able to keep a secret. Kelly will tell you otherwise. Do you have a citation you're going to read, or can I talk now? You're going to read the citation?
Whatever you'd like, sir.
Go ahead and read the citation.
In 2014, Mr. Corbin displayed superior performance of duty in his role as the Program Manager for Information Systems and Infrastructure. He led an organization comprised of 5 major product management teams managing ACAT 3 and below automated information system programs. He participated in the Department of the Navy Naval Enterprise Network ACAT 1 program and led the effort for the Department of the Navy Enterprise Software Licensing Program Office. Mr. Corbin's team was comprised of approximately 320 geographically dispersed military and civilian personnel responsible for development, acquisition, fielding, and sustainment of Marine Corps IT capabilities exceeding $5 billion across the Future Years Defense Program. He was responsible for the successful organization, management, and direction of efforts to deliver integrated IT capabilities and to oversee the full spectrum of program management responsibility for a portfolio of over 125 programs and projects.
So that narrative doesn't do justice to everything that you're doing. I got to tell you, when you think of cyber, it's Dan. Cyber for the Marine Corps. This is the individual that's leading on the acquisition and procurement side of the house for the Marine Corps cyber. But I would be remiss if I didn't talk just a little bit about Dan's leadership. Technical expertise aside, let's just talk a little bit about leadership. So I talked about a year ago, our professional credibility. I think you guys remember that. I tell you, about 8 months ago, back in November time frame, this whole cyber thing came to a head. And we were in a meeting over CD and I'll share with you. We're in there with a number of general officers. One of them is a 2-star, myself and some others in there. And needless to say, it was a little bit heated, probably is an understatement in there. And as we were going forward, there were individuals in the room that were trying to tell us, the acquisition guys, how we were going to do our jobs. basically telling us how to do a contract strategy, how Dan was going to do his contract strategy. And the meeting proceeds, and as we get into it, they start talking about taking a vote as to whether we're going to go assisted acquisition or we're going to compete this thing, you know. So Dan's sitting there, and he goes, I don't care who's in here, you're not going to tell me how to execute my program. We're not going to put it up for a vote. And I'll tell you what, Dan led the way. From that minute forward, I mean, he led me to step up. Seriously. One, I didn't know what the heck the meeting was about when we walked in there. And then two, I find us, I mean, we're in a knife fight in a phone booth. Seriously. And I don't have a knife. And, you know, Dan absolutely stepped up and said, I'm the program manager. I'm responsible for this. Nobody's going to put it to a vote. I'll tell you how we're going to do this. And over the next couple of months, we had to put a stake in the ground and say, we're the acquisition professionals, and we're going to deliver. And then we go back over to my office, and I said, damn, we got to deliver. And they delivered. I'm telling you, they delivered to the point now where the operating forces and some folks that we are supporting are asking us to delay delivery because they're not ready for it. That's how fast they cracked that nut. That's the best way to say it. You know, I mean, these guys did a superb job. You are absolutely the right guy to get this award. Dan, thank you for your leadership and all that your team did. I got to tell you, as we're going through that thing, you can continue down, but as we're going through that thing, I'll tell you, there was a couple times in there, Dan, he comes in my office, and it's like one of those moments, it's like, sir, are you going to fire me? Let you go there for a while, but I said, no, absolutely.
The Colonel Richard Dick Bates Award. This award is presented to an individual who is hand-selected by the commander for extraordinary contribution toward achievement of the command's goals and major initiatives. The winner of this award is Miss Margaret Toth. Ms. Toth is commended for her exceptional performance of duty while serving as the Secure Operational Networks Infrastructure and Communication Tier 2 Team Lead for Program Manager, Information Systems and Infrastructure. She demonstrated exceptional program management leadership in delivering the 14 SIPR Enterprise Service Stack replacements, a top priority for the command. Leading a fully integrated Marine Corps Systems Command and Marine Corps Network Operations and Security Center team, she ensured the complex requirements were developed and vetted with competency leadership. She issued requests for information to better shape the final request for proposal, delivered award 7 weeks ahead of schedule, and through competition, saved $10 million, delivering state-of-the-art technology for the entire Garrison Marine Corps Enterprise Network, SIPR network.
So in the Marine Corps, we pride ourselves as Marines for being cool, calm, and collected under fire. And I got to tell you, Peggy, as we're going through that, what I just talked about with Dan, we're in a meeting later on, and she's standing up at the end of the conference room there, and she's briefing, and there is a red dot on her forehead. And I mean, she is holding her ground calmly. I mean, I was ready to fight. I was ready to come out of my chair. And as once again, I was following her lead. Once again, I was following somebody in Dan's program office, following their lead. She was answering the questions. She was absolutely unflappable under fire. Can't thank you enough for what you've done. I wanted to pull you to the side after it was all done and apologize to you for some of the guff that you were taking, but I'll tell you what, you took it and you were ready to give back. And the way that she gave back was the team delivered. They delivered. They answered with absolutely doing their job, and didn't have to any bluster or all that. They just simply delivered. The team delivered. You guys did a fantastic job, but it was absolutely without your leadership. A lot of the credit goes to you. Thank you so much. Dick Bates would be proud.
Ladies and gentlemen, Brigadier General Schrader.
Okay, so I screwed it up in the beginning, so I won't do that in the end. Though Colonel Keenan left, I was going to thank him for being here. Mr. D, again, thank you for coming out to do this. So I'm going to end this on a high note. Again, just like I did when I came in here. I'm excited about what's happening in the command. I'm excited because I feel like the whole sense of belonging that I talked about when I took the guide on for Frank Kelly. All the other stuff aside about, you know, commanders come in. I mean, I'll share with you. I had a few folks when I found out I was going to take the job, I had a few folks that were either my peers or senior to me said, hey, you know, what are you going to do with the command? Where are you going to take it? What kind of changes are you going to make your mark? And I tell you, I'll be honest with you, I didn't really think about that. What I thought about was I just want to be part of a great team. I just want to be part of a great team. And I'll tell you, what are we, 12, 13 months into it now? I really feel that. No hype. I really feel that. I think that we are absolutely firing. We're just about firing on all 8 cylinders. I think we're at about 7. We've got some things we got to do, but I think we're absolutely, I know we're up to the challenge. I want to continue with some of the efforts we've got in place. We're going to continue to take a look at some of the strategic things ahead, or some steps that we can take to improve things at the strategic level, if you will, when it comes to efficiencies. I hate that word, but we're going to try to do that. So thank you for all you're doing. And we're on. One more thing, right? Yep. Leave it to me to screw up the script. Okay, last thing, and then I promise we're finished here. So there are some folks that, aside from putting this on, Barb, thank you, Kim, thank you for all the work that you've done, and your all's team for putting this on. So how about a round of applause? So a lot of work goes into the awards that are handed out here, and other awards, the command's awards throughout the year, retirement awards, the 5-year awards, 10-year awards, all the service awards and all. And it's another one of those behind-the-scenes type team that makes things happen, some individuals. So we're going to reward those folks here with a little bit of money. So we'll go from, let's talk Justin Williams. Are you here, Justin? Justin moved on, right? The chief said, you got to do this. So Justin's going to get his $500 for what he's done. Bruce Scott. Bruce. And Lisa Weaver. Don't spend it all in one So I wrote in here on the bottom of the check for a tremendously well done job. So absolutely, thank you for everything. So I think that's it. Go back to work.